everyone, my name is Atish and I welcome you all in this second learning video on quadrature. In the last learning video, we have seen area enclosed by the curve about x-axis and also about y-axis. Now, I would like to discuss the another case, that is area enclosed by the curves y1x and y2x. That is area enclosed by the two curves. So say this is to be x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin, okay, and say this is to be my curve y1 is equal to f1x, and this is another curve, say y2 is equal to f2x. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the area enclosed between these two curves. Okay, so let us mark these points. This is say x is equal to a, and this is say x is equal to b. Okay, therefore the area enclosed by the curves. So what are these curves? The curves y1 is equal to f1x, y2 is equal to f2x, x is equal to a, x is equal to b about x-axis is given by area is equal to integration a to b y1 minus y2 dx. Okay, one remark I would like to make, the same thing you can do and you can find out the area enclosed between two curves about y-axis also. In that case, what would be the area? Area is integration say some other limit c to d x1 minus x2 dy. So without wasting a minute, let us take an example to work out with. So this is the example we have, and what we have to do in this example, find the area enclosed by the two parabolas y is equal to 4x and y is equal to minus 4x minus 2. As you know, this is nothing but a standard parabola whose face open at the positive direction of x-axis. So diagram for this would be something like this. Okay, and this is the equation of parabola y square equal to 4x. Now see the second one. Second is y square is equal to minus 4x minus 2. This is also a parabola, whereas this parabola open his face on the negative direction of x-axis. Also, one remark, this is not the standard parabola. This is the parabola whose vertex is at x equal to 2. So here suppose we have x is equal to 2. So let us draw this parabola y square equal to minus 4x minus 2 whose vertex is at 2, 0. So 2, 0 will be somewhere here on the x-axis. Now let us draw this parabola. And say this to be 2, 0. Okay, now we have drawn these two parabolas. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the area between these two curves. Okay, so before finding out the area between these two curves, let us find out first of all the point of intersection between these two parabola. So I will write its equation, that is y square is equal to minus 4x minus 2. Now how to find out the point of intersection of two curves? Using use one curve, put it in the another equation of another curve. Okay, so you can write this as the coordinates of point of intersection of two parabolas can be obtained by solving, say this is to be 1 and this is to be 2, by solving 1 and 2. So what I can do, I will write this equation and put y square is equal to 4x. So using 1 in equation 2, what you get? to get 4x is equal to minus 4 into x minus 2. Further you can solve this and write 4x is equal to minus 4x plus 8. Okay, so when you take it to the left, so this is 8x is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to plus 1. Okay, now put this x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 will imply, what does it imply? Y square is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to plus minus 2. So once you get this, so what you can conclude? You can conclude hence the parabolas intersects each other at point 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. So this point of intersection of these two parabolas are 1, 2 and this point is 1 minus 2. What exactly we have to do here? We have to find out the required area. And what is required area? The required area can be found out. Area lies above the x-axis. Okay, now as you can see from this figure that this figure is symmetric about the x-axis. So whatever area we have above the x-axis must also be below the x-axis. So what I am going to do in this case is I will multiply this area by 2. Okay, so this can be written as 2 times limits. What are the limits in this figure? What are the limits? Limits are from 0 to 2. Okay, so limits are from 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 x1 minus x2 dx. So what are the two equation of parabola we have? We have y square is equal to 4x and we have y square is equal to minus 4 into x minus 2. So from this you can find out x1 and x2. So this is nothing but 2 times integration 0 to 2. What is x1? x1 can be found out from here, which is 8 minus y square by 4 minus what is x here? Y square by 4. Sorry, this is dy. Okay, now you just try to solve this. I have chosen x1 to be from this curve and x2 to be from this curve. You can take any one to be x1 and any one to be x2. Okay, now solving further, what you'll get? 8 by 4, that is 2, minus y square by 4, y square by 4, 2 times y square by 4 dy. Now this get cancelled with this 2. So now you have multiplied by 2 again. So you'll be having integration 0 to 2, 2 2s are 4 minus this 2 get cancelled with this 2 and we remain with y square. Now this is the very elementary integration that you can solve. So what is integration of 4 with respect to y? That is 4y minus what is integration of y square is y cube by 3. And what are the limits? 0 to 2. Now the very simple, apply upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit contribute to 0, whereas upper limit will contribute to the solution to this problem. So what is it? 4 2s are 8 minus 2 cube is 8 by 3. Okay, minus 0. Now 8 3s are 24 minus 8 16. So the answer is 16 by 3. Okay, as I said in the earlier learning video also, that it's a good practice to write the final answer. Required area is equal to 16 by 3. Just because this is area, don't forget to write square units. So thank you for watching this learning video.